Squad. It is your girl Renee, and I am back with another video. Okay, we have officially completed week 1 and your girl failed. I gained 4 pounds and I am like really shook because I don't even know how, because I actually was like on my, I'm trying not to curse, on my shiz naive. So I'm like, girl, 4 pounds, like where? So yeah, kind of, I'm not sad. I'm not gonna say I'm sad. I'm kind of just like, dang. So since my body doesn't want to work with me, I was trying to, you know, give her some carbs and stuff. Like, okay, since we're gonna ease on this, I'm gonna let you still have carbs and stuff. I was like, oh girl, you don't want to be appreciative? Cut it. So this week we are back to being strict. S-T-R-I-C-K. S-T-R-I-C-T. Strict. I think strict is a T. Anyway, so I'm not good at spell. But anyway, so yes guys, so I was like, I gained 4 pounds and I'm like, I'm not really mad because I look good. Not trying to sound conceited, but like when I'm looking at myself, I didn't think that I gained 4 pounds. I was like really surprised because I feel like smaller, but child, I don't know. Also, at my gym that I go to, we lift a lot, so I was like, maybe it's like muscle mass, but we've been doing this for like 3 weeks now, so I'm like, I don't know. But yes, sis gained 4 pounds. So I'm not going to tell y'all what that puts me at, but if you watch the first video, you can afford it and you know what number I'm at. So now I'm talking about it, I am getting a little upset, but like I had already like mentally prepared myself for like when I did the weigh-in, so I wasn't really like too mad. But anyways, things I'm doing differently this week. 1, drinking more water. So I got my hydro jug back out, and I'm actually going to make sure I drink a whole one, because I typically drink the whole thing in a day. And last week I didn't drink a lot of water. Another reason why I really wasn't too upset was because I did really well last week, but Friday I went out with one of my friends and like I was drinking and stuff, and I do my weigh-in Saturday mornings and I wanted to stay true to it, so I was like, well, I still gotta weigh in, so I was like, maybe it's just alcohol. Maybe, I don't know, but I don't think alcohol gonna make you gain 4 pounds in a day, so that's probably not it either. But anyways, what was I saying? So yeah, this week my meal prep is real strict because like I said, when my body don't want to act right and be appreciative of what I give her, she goes on punishment. Y'all can't even see my refrigerator, so I'm gonna open it. So basically this is how it's going for this week. For breakfast, I'm having sausage and an English muffin. 100-calorie English muffin. Lunch, salad with ground turkey. Like a taco salad, but with no sour cream. Well, I don't eat sour cream. I use Greek yogurt as sour cream, but no Greek yogurt and no cheese, so no dairy. Snack, almond milk yogurt. I put some granola in today because she was hungry. And I had these trail mix. Where are they at? I had these trail mix that I got from H-E-B. They real good. Oh, you can't see because the light is too bright. They're called Hit the Tropics trail mix, but I just ate the cashews out because y'all, I was really hungry. So like getting back into this like strict way of eating, like sis is hungry, and like I work from home, so like when I'm at work and I'm eating strict, it doesn't bother me because I'm like doing work, I'm like, you know, busy moving around. Being at home, a little bit harder. So yes, and then that was what I said, snack was the yogurt, and probably gonna have a pickle because y'all, I'm like really hungry right now and I'm going to the gym at 5, and so I'm like, sis needs like a snack. So I had the yogurt with some granola on it. I'm gonna have to eat a pickle before I leave because yeah, the pickles I like, Velasquez dill pickles, the best pickles in the world, the only pickles I will eat because they's bomb. Anyways, so and then dinner I'm gonna have a salad with fish. My nail is like, child, I had too much fun this weekend. So yeah, for what did I say, for dinner I'm gonna have a salad and fish. So I'm back to eating fish. I haven't had fish, y'all, since March. Like, I ate so much fish when I was doing the challenge that I was just like, I ain't never eating fish again, and I'm back to eating fish. So I'm like, I'm gonna stick to this for 2 weeks because like put my body on punishment. I'm not gonna say punishment because like I've been working with a nutritionist, so you know I'm trying to make sure I'm putting out positive stuff, blah 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 blah. But this is what I'm doing for myself. Okay, y'all do what y'all do what works best for you. Hopefully y'all lost like actual poundages, you know, like wasn't over here like me over here gaining weight on the first week. Like what's that? But anyways, like I said, she gained 4 pounds. I took the pictures, so you guys are gonna see the pictures on the little thumbnail. Just a little disclaimer, the pants, it's like wet on there, but it's because I had literally came back in for my morning walk. Oh, that's another thing I added. Glad I said that. So I've been doing, today's Monday, so I decided I was gonna do 3 miles every Monday. Walk at least 3 miles every morning, not every Monday, every morning. Except for Wednesdays. Wednesdays I have my staff meetings for work, so I don't do my Peloton back inside because I don't be paying attention. JK, I do be paying attention, but I'll be doing my Peloton ride while I actually multitasking, you know? So yeah, that's that. And pull up in my best dress. I got this little thing for my knee, but girl, she got the massive thighs. This whole just, I literally put this on my leg and it just like literally like rolled right back down. So this is going bad. If y'all know any like knee braces for girls with thick thighs, thick knees, thick legs, big body Benzes like myself, please let me know, because I need some type of support for my knee. Like my knee is like, I don't know if it's because of the weight gain or what, but oh, that's not true. I've always, this knee, my right knee has always like hurt me because, okay, quick story. I think I put like, here she go, rambling on. But okay, when I was in high school, I went to a small private school. And so like, I played volleyball. Basically, you had to play every sport because our school was like small. And so like, you know, if one girl, like say you wanted to play volleyball, you didn't have enough girls, like one of the girls from the basketball team would play for the season so you could have enough girls so you could have subs and stuff, you know? So, you know, kind of just like give and take. So, as you guys know, I'm not a runner, that's not my thing, but I decided to play basketball. And back in high school, you know, she was a little husky. So, you know, I was like, what's it called when you're at the back? The blocker? No, I meant like, this is the goal. And so you're like right there. The blocker, I think, or whatever. You know, the girls would be having the 50 on their shirt, like the big numbers. That was me. Yes, that was me. So, it's just funny. But anyway, so senior year, you know, she had slimmed down or whatever. And so I was like, you know, like running down. Child, why am I out of breath on this story? Okay, so this is what happened. I think it was senior year, maybe it wasn't, whatever. I was in high school, I was playing basketball, but that weekend, it was Martin Luther King weekend. I think so, because I had that Monday off. But I don't feel like Martin Luther King, do you get that day off for school? I don't know, I feel like at my school, yeah, it was a problem. I feel like we had that day off. Anyway, so I was at home that Monday, the weekend, and for some reason I was like just like being my crazy stuff, like typical, like y'all know I just be like entertaining myself. So I was like doing like a dance off or something, and I had like popped my knee out, and it popped back in, but like I really messed my knee up, y'all. So my mom, she was a nurse, but she had to take me to the hospital, and so they had put me in like crutches and like a leg thing, but like I was like, oh, I'm fine, it's gonna be fine. So we had a basketball game that week, right? So my knee was still hurting, and I shouldn't have even taken the brace off or anything, but I was like, I'm gonna do whatever I want to do. And the Lord was like, okay, sis, do what you want to do. Anyway, so I went to the basketball game. And so, like, I'm limping, right? Like, because my knee is, like, kind of hurting me. But I'm like, okay. So I'm, like, running down the field. You know, one of these little girls, she was, like, dribbling the ball. And I was like, yeah, girl. I was bouncing up against her. Bucking her out the way. And, y'all, like, she was a little demon. She knew my knee was messed up. So this girl literally, y'all, put her leg out. Bam! When I was running. And I fell. Popped my knee out again. So basically, I popped my knee out twice in like less than a week, and my knee has never been the same since. And then, like, you know, sis is kind of like, you know, big body Benz over here, so the extra weight does not help. And like at the gym, we're doing a lot of like jumping, cardio, and weights and stuff. So this knee she be on 10 all the time, but lately she's really been like, even today when I was just doing a walk, like my 3-mile walk, like my knee was hurting. So I was like, ooh. So I went to Academy to get this little sleeve thing, compression sleeve, and honey, she was no match for these stomach thighs. So I don't know, that story probably wasn't funny to y'all, but it's like funny to me. Anyways, but yeah, so I don't even know why I said that story. I don't even know what led me to that. I don't know, but I think it was something on my knee. But yeah, my knee was hurt. My knee has been hurting. So, oh, that's what I was saying. If you know any like good like knee braces for people with like big legs or whatever, please put it below, because yeah, I need help. Anyway, so that's how my first week went. Gained 4 pounds. Y'all can see the before and after picture. I feel like I still look the same, but the scale don't lie. But also, like I said, when I started this challenge, I'm not focusing so much on the scale. Dang, you know what I just realized? My goal is to lose 20 pounds during this challenge, and I did gain 4 pounds, so now I gotta lose 24 pounds to meet my goal. Ain't that something? Anyways, but like I said, my goal isn't to focus on solely on the scale, because as we know, the scale can be a trigger, and the scale can like just put you in a bad space, and like, you know, there's other things that you can look at for victories, like non-scale victories, how your clothes fit, things like that. And so I really just have been feeling good and how my clothes fit, things like that. So but we gonna get to this 20 pounds. We gonna get this goal, like, sis. So anyways, like I said, my body is on punishment because she didn't want to work well with what I was giving her last week, so we've gone into like strict mode. So hopefully it lasts, because like I said, I'm already hungry and all I have left to eat today, so when I get home I get my salad with my piece of fish. So that's that on that. So yeah guys, I hope your week 1 went better. Please let me know how it went for you. I hope you guys were successful, and I'm looking forward to week 2, because like I said, I'm going in this week. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Hopefully I'll like be reposting stuff that I eat. No, not stuff that I eat, because I just eat the same things, so that's boring. But like my workouts and stuff. Sometimes like my gym, they'll tag me in the workout, and then I will repost it so y'all can see what workout I did. Oh, we should probably do like Apple Watch. If you have an Apple Watch, we could like, I don't know, can you do that? I think you have to have people's phone numbers to do that. I feel like I asked this before and somebody told me, but I forgot. But if there's a way to like link through Apple Watches through like email, we could do that. I don't know about doing phone numbers, because like that's a little crazy and people like be crazy. So we could do emails, and yeah, I'm excited for week 2. I'm not even gonna say I hope. I already know week 2 is gonna be successful, because I'm not playing any games with this body. She's on punishment. So yes, like I said, make sure you drink your water, do your workouts, eat healthy, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.